Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a comparison between Beefree and Glide apps. We want to see which no-code tool wins. Now, do you want to build a website or app without coding? Today we're comparing two no-code tools, that is Beefree and Glide apps. Which one is best for you? Let's dive in. Let's look for what they're best for. When you look at what they're best for, Beefree is best for email and landing page design, while Glide apps is best for turning spreadsheets into apps. When it comes to ease of use, Beefree has drag and drop and is super intuitive, while Glide apps is simple but requires spreadsheet skills. When you look at their templates, Beefree has 1,000+ professional designs, while Glide apps is app focused, so it has fewer templates. When we look at customization, Beefree is strong for marketing visuals, while Glide apps is more functional, so it has forms and databases. When it comes to pricing, Beefree has a free plan plus paid upgrades, while Glide apps has free trial then paid plans. When it comes to integration, Beefree works with email platforms, while Glide apps can connect to Google Sheets and Airtable. So if you need turning emails and landing pages, Beefree is your go-to. But if you want to turn data into apps, Glide apps is magic. Which one would you pick? Comment below, smash that like button and subscribe for more no-code showdowns.